So I'm Elliot, this is Everything Elliot. Thanks for stopping by. Today we are going to better prepare, I'd say ourselves, because you're following along, but really better prepare myself for the next winter storm. And the reason that I just moved all these banks is the plan of attack is, if you've seen any of my videos, you know my gooseneck's on the other side. I want to put it on this side. Over here is where I just cleared all this land. This used to just be woods over here. I did it with a mini excavator. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link up top for you. Ooh, Amazon's here. Anywho, gonna put the gooseneck on this side so I can store my firewood back over on the other side, and it's out of the danger zone of the snow falling off the roof. I'm gonna grab this package and I'll be back with you guys in a minute. So this area behind me is what I'm talking about. My firewood used to be stacked over there and all the snow fell off the roof onto it. It was a giant pain. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put another link. Gonna grab the gooseneck. I don't use it in the winter because I try to keep the salt off of it, so it shouldn't be an issue if I drag it over on the other side of the barn and it gets snowed in. It's just, it is what it is. And then I'll be able to stack the wood where the gooseneck is, leaving this lane open, and what that'll let me do is actually be able to get my tractor in here, and as the snow falls off the roof, I'll be able to grab it with the bucket and hopefully prevent my shop from flooding come springtime, because that's what happened last year. All the snow started melting, went right into my shop. It was a giant mess. And shovel off the gooseneck so it's not any extra weight, and grab it with the tractor. All right. I don't know if you guys noticed, but it's been like 40 degrees for the past 2 days, so that 5 feet of snow we got has been reduced down to about a foot. I really should start working out. Whew. I'm gonna dump the weight off the tractor, put the old gooseneck mover on it, and we'll grab this trailer, try to put it on the other side without getting stuck. There we go. So I'd love to give you guys a bunch of different angles on this, but I feel like this situation is going to be one of those, once this party starts, there's not really any stopping it. I'm going to get a good run from here, and hopefully I don't bury my tractor. So I'll set you out back and we'll see what happens. I don't know how I'll get the tractor out if I bury it. So I'm just going to absolutely hot rod my tractor back here. Probably medium gear, 4-wheel drive, foot to the floor. Could be bad, could be good. Won't lie to you, got a little nervous, but we made it. So I'll dump the trailer and we're gonna put that firewood where it belongs. All right, so now all of those firewood bins need to go over there. I'd like to set myself up for this. What I want to do is put the openings opposite the tractor. So you can see, like, for example, on this bin, this side is open, that side's closed. So pallet forks will come up to here, we'll pick it up and dump it over there. So with all the firewood stacked on this side, I should have enough room to get my tractor through this side. Now, the barrels obviously need to be moved. I've got a stack of plastic pallets over there that I can't get rid of. Not that I've tried to get rid of them, but I just can't find it in me to get rid of the plastic pallets. And now I should be able to get my tractor back here with the bucket, dig out all the snow that comes off the top of the roof, and prevent my shop from flooding. At least that's the hope. I hope that's what happens, but that's going to be it for today. We got everything accomplished that we wanted to. Firewood moved, gooseneck moved. That was a wild ride. Yeah, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any of these videos. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one.